National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a flash flood warning for Sedgwick County in east central Kansas.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Denver County in northeastern Colorado, east central Jefferson County and central Colorado, until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lakewood, or 9 miles southwest of Denver, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ken Carroll, Chatfield Reservoir, Columbine, Morrison, Lakewood, Littleton, and Denver. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.